He's saying that he let off the gas that green car. He got it. He get one.
Big block Chevy application there for the Nova. Brother Joey backing him up from burnout. Both these guys making the trip from up there in Northern California. Only one's going to come back. And we're going to have an early exit here and get a head start on packing up the race car and heading back up north. Jimmy Huffy, Mike Orban. Trying to get around him.
Dog Master, I got a question for you, my man. When your car first hit the scene, man, you changed the game with that 6-speed. Man, I watched you from the very beginning to when you first showed up over here, and I was like, man, you dragging them out the hole. They ain't understand. They losing traction. It's over with. You gone. Yeah. So what's the next evolution, man?
I guess I'm working on right now. Yeah,
okay.
Something that could be the fastest in the world like it always is. And
okay.
Put it together.
Yeah, because I've noticed they getting on your heels now. But you was ahead of the game when you came in, and then they playing catch up.
That's what they do.
So you got,
still doing that.
Yeah, you got to keep putting them in the rearview mirror, man.
Exactly,
I just want to let you know.
Eat catch up, nigga.
Yeah. I just want to let you know. I appreciate you, baby.
For sure, bro.
For sure, man. All right.
Oh, Bill.
Damn, the song ain't even started yet. What you thinking?
Well, I ain't really over there to fully judge.
Yeah.
I just know Bush first.
Yeah, as far as we doing this shit.
Just slap on it.
I'm voting with Butch on this one. Even though his words were garbage, I'm feeling it. Don't tell him that he gonna put the high voice on.
I know. You ready to be in the ring? I know.
Yeah, I told him that once before. He kind of went off on me. Yeah, I just cruised 4500.
HBK, they know we play. And I can't quit. I tell promoters to cut me a check, please. Walk out with a hefty, been minding my business. They finally respect me. I'm finding the hottest nigga. I'm signing them next week. I'm barely rocking this high, sliding a fresh knee. It's time to get to work. I always took care of somebody, had to put me first. Now it's your homie. Maybe no stopping, niggas know that I'm spitting the best flows. I constantly set goals, executing everything with no chance of parole. My left hand is froze. Every week doing shows, I've been strengthening my armor up, cause every chink shows. Money, it don't shrink, no. Bustin' with a free load. Dropping cash on everything, cause I can't do no repo. Each stove, heat blow, lease fold. Got the Ricky listening, I got it. Heat blow, lease fold. Got the Ricky listening, I got a speaking G code. I know I can't take a break, can't slow. Only break I ever take is breaking records like those. In nitro and gas up on 'em. I'm on my toes with God in my corner. Speaking of the corner, other corner, my opponent. Ring the bell, I bring him hella heaven, whatever he wanted. I'm a blessing to this my profession, respected regardless. Even different opinions, long as fishes are swimming, long as eagles is flying, long as Donald Trump flying. I'm plugged in like appliance, I'm coming back like a Myers. Got it, I can't deny it. Got it, I can't deny it. I'm talking shit to the pilot, I might just learn how to fly it. Tell promoters to cut me a check, please. Walk out with a hefty, been minding my business. They finally respect me. I'm finding out how this nigga, I'm signing him next week. I'm barely